What is payment initiation in open banking?
Payment initiation allows you to make payments directly from your bank account using third-party applications. With open banking, regulated apps securely connect to your bank, letting you send money or pay bills without needing to use your traditional online banking portal. This approach aims to provide a faster, more convenient, and often more cost-effective way to handle digital payments.
How do open banking APIs enable this?
Open banking APIs are standardized software interfaces that connect banks with approved third-party providers. When you want to make a payment, the app you're using communicates via these APIs to your bank. This direct connection allows the app to initiate transfers on your behalf, always with your explicit consent, streamlining the payment process while keeping your credentials secure.
The step-by-step payment flow.
First, you choose to pay via your bank in an app or website. The third-party provider requests your approval to access your account. You authenticate, often through your bank's own login, confirming the payment details. The API then instructs your bank to transfer money directly to the recipient, updating all parties instantly. This system reduces the need for card details or manual transfers.
Benefits of payment initiation through open banking.
Open banking payment initiation offers several advantages. It makes payments quicker and less error-prone, reducing the risk of manual entry mistakes. Because transactions move directly between bank accounts, processing fees are often lower, and funds typically settle faster than with cards. Enhanced security is also a benefit, since login credentials and sensitive details aren't shared with third parties.
Security and regulatory safeguards.
Strict regulations require that only authorized providers can access your bank information via open banking APIs, and always with your clear consent. Data and money are protected with strong encryption and authentication processes. Regular audits and regulatory oversight help ensure that the entire payment initiation process remains safe, giving users transparency and control over their financial data.